Craftsman 1.9.26 at How to Play with Friends. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, download the application, and after downloading it, just tap on open and it will start to launch the application on your device. Make sure that you have the stable Wi-Fi connection on your device. After that, it will land you to a new page or the user interface where you can see a new page over here. So have some patience while it's loading because it depends on the network connection over here to load the page to further play the game. So just make sure you have a very proper connection over here. After the connection has been set and the page loads, it will land you to the user interface, which will look something like this. So just tap on play. And as you tap and play, you can play either with your friends, your people around the world, or for different servers. So you can just select whichever mode you would want to do. So if you want to play with friends, just tap on friends and you'll be able to find different friends over here on your device. As you find different friends, you can just add them and you can play with them. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.